Hi there, Serdar here for InfoWorld at IDG. Today in Smart Go, I'm going to give a brief introduction to Go routines in the Go language. Go routines are Go's mechanism for running code concurrently. And I'm also going to be talking about channels, Go's mechanism for communication between Go routines. Most languages these days have some way to perform concurrency. That's the ability to cooperatively run multiple tasks in parallel. Python, for instance, has async and await. Go has what are called Go routines. They're often described as lightweight threads, since they function a little bit like threads. They run cooperatively, and they yield to each other as needed. But they use far fewer system resources than full-blown threads, and they're easier to work with than threads. So for most things where you would use threads, you could just use a Go routine instead in Go. I've got here a simple example of how you might use a Go routine. This program here has two functions, the main routine and a function called start. Start is going to be used as our Go routine. And what's nice is that we don't have to do anything fancy to make it into a Go routine. It's just another function. The way we make it work as a Go routine is by how we call it. Instead of invoking the function with a function call, we use the Go keyword to activate it as a Go routine. Now when we run this program, here's what happens. The main routine starts, then invokes the start routine to run in the background. The start routine runs for 1 second, while the main routine runs for 3 seconds, as you can see from the delays in the output. Both routines run entirely separately. They don't block each other's execution. We don't have to wait on start to complete before going on to do other things in main. Okay, so far so good. But what if we need to pass information between Go routines or synchronize their behaviors? That's where Go's channels come in handy. Channels are a mechanism similar to queues in other languages that allow data of a specific type to be passed between Go routines or between Go routines and regular routines. So I'm going to take our existing example and modify it to use a channel to synchronize behaviors between the main routine and the Go routine. So first in our main routine, we have to create a channel. And we do this with the make keyword, and we assign that channel to a variable named done. We also have to modify our Go routine to accept the channel as an argument so that it knows which channel to work with. So when we run our Go routine, we pass the channel along as that argument. In the Go routine itself, when we're finished, we pass the value true into the channel when we're done. By the way, channels can only pass information of one specific type. They have to be declared explicitly. And also, by the way, this syntax here, this means send this value into this channel. It's deliberately distinct from an assignment operation, because this isn't an assignment operation, we're sending a message. When we want to receive a value from the channel, we use this syntax. So when we reach this point in main, progress stops until something gets sent through done. This is a blocking operation. You'll notice now that we have a 3-second delay in the Go routine to ensure that the main function has to wait on the Go routine to finish. If we did this without using channels, the main routine would quit first and the Go routine would just evaporate. Obviously, we don't want that. Now, as you can see, I've only covered the very basics here, but the idea should be plain. Go routines let you run tasks concurrently, independent of each other and independent of your main program's functionality. And channels let you synchronize activities or the flow of information between Go routines and your main program. And in future videos, I'll be diving deeper into how to make use of Go routines and channels in more ambitious ways. That's it for this video. If you liked it, please leave it a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. And for more Smart Go tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Infoworld.com.